Don't trash plastic bottles. You won't believe these 5 genius hacks. Look at that cut. Sweet. Time to load up some bird feed. Then boom, done. Come and get it, little birdies. Grub's ready. Lemon's good to go. Lemonade time. One more thing, some fresh smelling soap, and that's a wrap. Got that fly zapper ready to roll. That's exactly what I needed. Gotcha, fly. The hole is ready. And again. Drink up, plants, drink up. Check out this bonsai tree. Did you find these ideas helpful? If so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more clever hacks.